2023 Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE. Thousands and thousands of pounds less than the list price. The savings on this car now is just unbelievable. I sold two of these cars only a week ago for £82,990. This car, we've just priced it this morning, £79,990. It's not a standard car either. It's in white. It's got full black pack. It's got 23s with the red calipers, privacy glass, contrasting black roof, and it's got the upgraded cabin lighting where you can change all the colours. You do not get that as standard on a Sport. The black pack works superb against the white car, the black badging, the inserts, that new slick front. It's a dynamic, so you get the inserts in here, but that's all been done in black. If not, it would be finished in like a bronze colour. The big extra, 23s, transform the look of the car, multi-spoke, gloss black. You can see you've got the red calipers. The black pack gives you the sections on the bonnet and on the wings in black. Black mirrors, you've got a contrasting black roof, so you can see it's all black there. That's been paid for as an option. Privacy glass on the rear, so it just sits and looks lovely. And then the dynamic rear bumper is all done in gloss black. I'll just show you the car now when I light it. You've got them lovely new style LED lights, big spoiler, all done in gloss black. It's just, for me, I think it's just the price point. You get warranty till 2026. It's got great spec. That car lists now probably about £98,000 with that spec, with the wheels. It's got the sliding sunroof as well. And for £79,990, I think the car's done 8,000 miles. What a buy for somebody. The new style Sport has your deployable handles. So I'll start in the back. It's keyless entry. They've opted for ebony leather inside, which I think is the right colour, especially when you've got the colour of the white with the black. So you've got ebony leather, you've got rear heated seats, lots of leg room, a little bit more leg room in the rear than the previous model because they're slightly bigger in the back. And then in the front, you've got all the fantastic features you get now as standard. So you've got your blind spot monitoring, you get your 20-way heated adjustable seats, digital cockpit, huge 13.1-inch screen with your Privy Pro in the centre, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. These are all features that are standard. So you've got full heated black leather steering wheel, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. You get your digital cockpit in front of you, which you can adjust all the settings and set that out how you wish. The camera system is absolutely superb. So you've got the big 13.1-inch screen. I'll just show you the camera system, which I always like to show because I just think it's really up to date and modern. You've got cameras, look at all the different camera angles throughout. Back into the main menu. Other features, which stuff I really like on a car, so you've got wireless charging underneath there, wireless Apple CarPlay. The seats, as I've mentioned, you've got heated seats in the front and heated seats in the rear. Back into the main menu. And then you've got all your other features, your Bluetooth, your multimedia. One of the other option extras I mentioned at the start of the video, cabin lighting. So that button is on all Sports and it's all just got one colour. But this has got the different options, the different colours that you would normally associate with an autobiography. So that's been paid for as an option. Moving up here, big extra again. Tilt and sliding sunroof. Expensive option, I think it's about £1,200. So it's got all the right features for me. The wheels, the black pack, the contrasting black roof, the sliding sunroof, and most importantly, it's the way it's being priced. Big boot space, as you can see, electric tailgate. It's got original carpet mats, but then you've got some rubber mats there if you want them as well. All seats are electric. If you want to drop them seats down, you can do them all by just the press of a button. So that is the best price Sport we've ever had, £79,990, and it's a dynamic SE, and it's got £1,000 worth of extras. Save yourself big price on the list price. It's going live on the website.